Join the palm together. Lift your hands up this way. Out, turn left. In, right. In, cut left. Out, drop down to the right. Open your palms. Breathe in deep. Breathe in. Out. You can bend your knees a little bit. In. Relax your shoulders. Relax your lower back. So you can stretch your palms and your shoulders. Breathe in. Out to look like you are swimming backwards. Okay. Bend your two knees or legs. Relax your palms. In. Out. Relax your shoulders. That's so wonderful. And put your hands on your lower back. Then you can rotate. Make a circle. Allow your waist, your lower back to relax. Okay, gently. In. Out. Reverse. That's so wonderful. Open your palms. Inhale deep. Exhale slow. You bring your mind back to the body. In the present moment. Close your eyes and feel your breathing, your belly breathing. When you breathe in, you feel your lower abdomen is rising. When you breathe out, you feel the lower abdomen is falling. And you relax the whole body. Feel your 2 feet on the ground, connected to the earth. Relax your 2 palms, relax your shoulders. Feel alive in the present moment. This morning is so wonderful. I can hear the birds singing. It's very calm and peaceful. Okay, so the next movement you call the dragon. Okay, standing 2 feet together. Breathe in. Join the palm together. Lift your hands up this way. Out, turn left. In, right. Out, cut left. In, cut right. Out, drop down to the left. Look in the back. Inhale, up. And then left turn. Exhale, turn right. In, cut left. Out, drop down to the right. In, point left. You bend your knees a little bit. Out, right. In, point left. Out, right. In, left. Out, right. In, center. Out, jump. Let it go. Breathe in. Up. Out, the left. In, right. Out, cut left. In, cut right. Out, drop down to the left. Look in the back. In, up again. Left. Out, cut right. In, left. Out, drop down to the right. In, one left. Out, right. In. Out. In. Out. In, center. Out, jump, let it go. Breathe in, up, hands up. Out, left, in, out, in, out. Inhale. Exhale, cut, in, cut, out, in, left, out, in, out, in, out, in center, out, jump, let it go. Open your palms, breathe in deep. Out. You can put your left palm on your lower abdomen, right palm outside, and then you can massage your lower abdomen, okay? You move the clockwise direction. You press a little bit. Breathe in, out. Have yourself to circulate the blood for your stomach, your belly, your abdomen. And then you massage the two palms together. Side by side. The other hand. And you can massage your lower back. Go down to two legs. Go to front. Then massage the two hands together, two arms. Another hand. So wonderful. Breathe in, raise your hands up, stand by the toes. Out. Okay, let it go, release tension from the whole body. In. Inhale. Breathe in, open your palms deep. Out. Slow. Release tensions from your whole body. Put your spine, your back, your shoulders.